Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to do a 10-minute chest workout. You will need a pair of dumbbells and a soft surface like a mat or a carpet. And I request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon before we get started so that you can be notified every time I post a workout. And in this workout, we are going to do 5 exercises twice over, and we're going to spend a minute on each exercise. So I'm going to put on the timer and then we'll start. Alright, so the first exercise is push-ups on the knees and arms a little wider than shoulder width. You can keep your feet on the ground or lift them up, that's up to you. And then we're going to go slow and controlled push-up. Slow and controlled. Slow Alright, next up we will need the dumbbells. So grab your dumbbells, and if you don't have dumbbells at home, you can use water bottles. We're going to get into a chest press. So arms at 90 degrees and then press up, and on top squeeze your chest. 90 degrees, press, squeeze. Keep going. Alright, rest your arms for a moment. Now back up and chest flies. So our palms facing each other, and just lower the arms and back up and squeeze when you at the top, squeeze at the top. Alright, rest for a moment. Grab your dumbbells. You're going to straighten out the left hand and do a press with the right hand. So left hand stays straight and the right hand does the work. Again, squeeze at the top. Squeeze your chest at the top. Okay, rest for a moment. Rest for a moment. Now the right hand goes straight up, left hand is bent, and then we're going to press with the left hand. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze your chest at the top. This is our 5th exercise. And we're going to repeat these 5 exercises once more. Rest. Keep your dumbbells down. We're going to change position into push-ups on the knees. So, arms a little wider than shoulder width. And we're going to go down and back up. Slow and controlled. Feel this in your chest. Alright, back into chest press. Grab your dumbbells, arms straight up, bend, straighten, squeeze your chest at the top, bend, straighten, squeeze your chest, bend, straighten, squeeze your chest. Go at your own pace, but maintain control. We have 3 minutes after this exercise. Alright, next up we have the chest flies. So rest for a moment, grab your dumbbells, palms facing one another, and then extend and squeeze back in. And when you squeeze your chest. Okay, rest for a moment, rest it out, last 2 minutes. And now we are going to straighten, left hand, bend the right hand, and press, squeeze it up, back. Press, squeeze, bend. Go at your own pace. Okay, rest for a moment, rest. Right hand goes up, straight, left hand is bent, straighten, squeeze at the top, back down. This is the last one. So that was our 10-minute chest workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and I will see you in one of my other videos. Bye.